talk 3-in-1 gel. What is it? So, word on the street is soft gel tips or Gel X, whatever you like to call them. 3-in-1 gel is basically a hybrid of what you would call the Gel X or the original, the OG, a Prey. It really does save time and steps in the soft gel tip application. So what are you cutting out? You're cutting out a dehydrator, a primer, and also a base coat. So that just not only saves money, but it saves time in the salon as well. So yeah, I'm loving it so far. As I said, you do not need to dehydrate or prime or put a base coat down and cure. You can literally just go in, etch your tips, and pop them on with this gel and cure for 60 seconds. So do you still need to go that with a 3-in-1 gel? I wouldn't do it because honestly, the system is designed already to have your primer and everything in it. So like too much is gonna be overkill. So I'll put the link below to the Born Pretty and the 3-in-1 gel if you guys want to know where you can grab some for yourself. But yeah, any questions, just comment below.